The simplest way to reset a Kenmore Elite Washer is by unplugging it from the power outlet. This allows the washer's internal computer to reset and clear any error codes or stuck cycles. First, locate the power cord at the back of the washer. The cord has a standard plug that connects to a wall outlet. Different washers may have different plug types, so familiarize yourself with common electrical plug configurations for safe handling. To reset, firmly grasp the plug and pull it straight out from the outlet. Avoid yanking on the cord itself. Once unplugged, wait for 1 to 2 minutes. This gives the washer's internal systems time to fully reset. After waiting, plug the washer back in and test if the issue is resolved. This method works for many common washer problems. The control panel of a Kenmore Elite Washer features various buttons and settings for customizing your wash cycle. Let's examine the key components up close. This close-up shows the control panel with a circular knob for cycle selection and buttons for temperature and spin speed adjustments. In this diagram, you can see the power button, cycle selection dial, and start-pause controls clearly outlined. The digital display shows the time and settings, with green indicator lights for active functions. To begin, press the power button as shown here. This activates the control panel for use. Remember that specific button layouts can differ depending on your Kenmore Elite model. Always refer to your manual for exact locations. To perform a power cycle reset on your Kenmore Elite Washer, first turn the washer off by pressing the power button. Next, wait exactly 5 seconds for the washer to fully power down. Finally, turn the washer back on by pressing the power button again. This power cycle reset can clear minor errors and restore normal operation by refreshing the washer's electrical system. Start by locating your Kenmore Elite Washer's control panel. While the washer is running, press the Start-Pause button once to pause the cycle. Wait a few moments to allow the washer to reset. Press the Start-Pause button again to restart the washing cycle. This method is especially useful if your washing cycle becomes interrupted for any reason. If your Kenmore Elite model includes a diagnostic mode, you can access it to check the appliance's functions. Always consult your model's user manual first for the exact procedure. The diagnostic mode procedure varies by model. Check your user manual for specific instructions. For many models, enter diagnostic mode by pressing and holding the cycle signal and options buttons simultaneously. Press both buttons at the same time and hold for a few seconds. If successful, the display will show diagnostic codes or enter test mode. Remember, this feature is for advanced users. If you're not comfortable with these steps, contact a qualified technician. When an error code appears on your washer's display, it indicates a specific problem that needs attention. Common codes include F01 for motor failure, LE for lid error, OL for overload, OC for overload error, and E1 for water intake issues. For example, F01 indicates a motor failure that requires checking the motor connections. Another common code is LE, which means the lid isn't properly closed. OL and OC codes both indicate an overload situation where too many clothes are in the drum, requiring you to remove some items to balance the load. Here's a visual reference chart showing common error codes and their meanings, along with suggested actions to resolve each issue. When you see an error code, look it up in your user manual or online to understand what it means and what steps to take. Many issues can be resolved with simple troubleshooting. For detailed troubleshooting, refer to error code charts that list the display code, the cause, and suggested methods for resolution, such as power cycling or checking connections. The Kenmore Elite Washer diagram shows the main components we'll troubleshoot. Common issues include a jammed pump filter and unbalanced loads. A jammed pump filter prevents proper drainage. The filter is located at the bottom front of the washer. Remove it carefully to clear any debris. An unbalanced load causes the washer to vibrate excessively. Clothes clump together instead of distributing evenly in the drum. Redistribute the laundry manually for balanced washing. These issues often trigger error codes. For example, LO indicates an unbalanced load. Check the display panel for these codes to identify the problem. When the reset methods haven't resolved the issue, or if error codes continue to appear, it's time to contact a qualified appliance repair technician. For reputable repair services, check the Kenmore website or contact local appliance repair companies in your area. Remember, safety comes first. Avoid attempting repairs yourself if you're not comfortable with electrical appliances. Thank you for following this guide. Your Kenmore washer should now be properly diagnosed and repaired.